can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret. Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the chill that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, may turn its day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. She who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud, no one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the hope that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past, and I remember till the day I die. Maybe the reason I survive, the why, the wherefore I'm alive, the one I care for through the rough and many years. Maybe I'll take the laughter and her fears and make them all my souvenirs. For where she goes, I've got to be. The meaning of my life is she.